Hello students, I am Alka Singh, Physical Education Teacher in Seth Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College. Today I am going to teach you about throwball game, rules and regulation. Index: first introduction, second history of throwball, third referee hand signals, fourth throwball court measurement, fifth scoring, sixth how to play the throwball, seventh rules of throwball. Introduction of throwball. Throwball is a non-contact ball sport played across a net between two teams of 9 players on a rectangular court. It is popular in Asia, especially on the Indian subcontinent, and was first played in India as a women's sport in Chennai during the 1940s. Like volleyball, the game's roots are linked with the YMCA. Both volleyball and Newcomb ball, while older games, share many similarities with throwball. Throwball rules were first drafted in 1955 and India's first national level championship was played in 1980. History of throwball. According to the Throwball Federation of India, throwball is thought to have been drawn from a recreational sport popular among women in England and Australia during the 1930s. The YMCA brought the game to Chennai, where it was played as a women's sport in the 1940s. Harry Crowbuck, who had founded the YMCA College of Physical Education in Chennai, drafted guidelines for throwball rules and regulations in 1955. The game reached Bangalore in the 1950s. Throwball Federation of India (TFI) was formed along with the Indian National Throwball Championship. By 1990, throwball in India had become a sport for both men and women. Referee hand signals. Every throwball player should know about different referee hand signal, because referee will give some signals in the match like service, line cross, time out, pushing, body touch, etc. You all can have a look on different referee signals over here. First, service. Second, rotation fault. Third, net contacted by ball from service. Fourth, delay in service more than 5 seconds. Fifth, double contact. Sixth, jugging. Seventh, body touch. Eighth, ball in. Ninth, ball out. 10th, line cross. 11th, time out. 12th, substitution. 13, court change. 14, common ball. 15, rotation fault. 16, double contact high overhead ball receiving. 17, delay in ball rally time more than 3 seconds. 18, shift. 19, pushing. 20, wrist touch. 21, movement. 22, foul throw. 23, clash. 24, carry. Line means official hand signals. First, ball in. Second, ball out. Third, warning. Fourth, expulsion. Fifth, disqualification. Sixth, ball crossing outside the antenna or serving fault. Seventh, judgment impossible. Eighth, end of set or match. Ninth, ball contacted. Throw ball court measurement. Throw ball court. Side line 18.30 meter. End line 12.20 meter. 1.5 meter dead box. Front zone. Center zone. Back zone. 6.10 meter service zone. Box line. The height of the net is 2.2 meter. Throw ball game scoring. Throw ball is scored like volleyball and use rally scoring. That means only the team serving can score a point and does so when the opponent faults. Faults can include: first, failure to return the ball over the net. Second, a player touching the ball twice. Third, touching the net. Next, how to play the throw ball game. First, throw ball shall be played between two teams, each consisting of 12 players, 7 of whom can be active on the pitch at any one time. The remaining 5 players are substitute. Second, while the game is being played, any act of pushing is not allowed. Third, throw ball use rally scoring in which point can only be scored when serving. Fourth, matches should be played for the best of 3 sets, each set's winner being the first to score 15 points. Fifth, service is done immediately after the referee's whistle at the start of the game and after a point is scored. It is done from behind the back line towards any area of the opposition's half. 6. On the scheduled date, all team members will have to be present 15 minutes prior to the game. Otherwise, the negligence to do so can declare the opponent team as the winner. 7th, points are lost in throw ball if a team fails to return a serve or throw such as by hitting the net or failing to catch the ball and then throw it back. 8th, when you receive the ball, you cannot juggle with it. 9th, if the ball is thrown at the person and it is caught by them, they need to throw it back immediately or within a time frame of 3 seconds. 10th, when a player is serving the ball, they cannot cross the service line using their single hand. 11th, when the ball is in hand, playing with it and right to left or vice versa is not allowed. 12th, when the service ball is being thrown, it needs to ensure that the ball shouldn't touch the net. 13. When the game is prolonging, the players need to keep in mind that they cannot touch the net for whatever reasons, but the ball they use can. 14. When the game is being played, two players cannot touch the ball at the same time. 15. Once the ball is in the hands, it needs to be thrown back directly after the whistle blows or within 5 seconds. 16. While aiming or catching, players have to strictly use their hands to enforce their action. Their body or legs cannot be a part of it. 17. In the case of the substitutes, their turn will only arise when they have to serve or in case of any injury, which is again an exception. 18. A timing break of 2 minutes is allowed in the game. Next, rules of throw ball. First, a team can have maximum 5 substitutes. Second, number of players can be 7 or 9. Third, service should be done within 5 seconds after the whistling of referee. Fourth, the ball should not touch the net. Fifth, no double touch. Sixth, players should be in 3-1-3 position during serve. Seventh, throw ball use rally scoring in which point can only be scored when serving. 8. Matches should be played for the best of 3 sets, each set's winner being the first to score 15 points. 9th, service is done immediately after the referee's whistle at the start of the game and after a point is scored. It is done from behind the back line towards any area of the opposition's half. 10th, points are lost in throw ball if a team fails to return a serve or throw such as by hitting the net or failing to catch the ball and then throw it back. 11th, passes are not allowed in throw ball. As soon as a player receives the ball, they should return it over the net immediately. 12th, 2 players cannot catch the ball simultaneously. 13. Ball should not be volleyed as in volleyball, but should be caught and then thrown quickly. Any ball being released should be done so from on or above the shoulder line only. Thank you. God bless you.